Our inspiration comes from some of the most powerful imagery in the Middle East. The crescent moon, the sweeping forms of the sand dunes and flowing garments, Islamic patterns, covered sheltered spaces, and vibrant souks. These elements all have important physical reasons for their use and provide both symbolic and important building devices for construction in hot climates. The development is based around a circular sunken outdoor athletics facility with a crescent-shaped canopy, embracing and at the same time sheltering all the Sport Federation buildings and outdoor circulation. The crescent moon not only representing the start of the Islamic day, but also acting as a solar shade for the heat of the sun.
One of our key drivers is sustainability. We believe that sustainability is not just about low whole life cycle carbon or low energy, but also about efficient, cost-effective design, and about providing long-lasting legacy for the client, users of the facility and the wider community. Technology, like sun pipes, will allow natural light without heat gain to all the main sports halls for each of the federations, whilst innovative use of solar thermal systems to generate chilled water to cool the building as part of an overall cooling strategy, as well as more traditional technologies such as solar heating for hot water and photovoltaics for electricity. These will all help reduce the whole life cycle carbon of the project. The construction techniques we will use will be standard, but put together in an intelligent manner to create a unique and iconic venue. We intend to design the building so that locally sourced materials and labour can be used in the construction of this project. We believe we can deliver a world-class training facility that will bring together the best of architecture and engineering, whilst also taking inspiration from the local art, culture and history of Qatar.
The canopy allows for measured natural daylighting through its fragmented dynamic striation, used to express the exciting movement in sport. This traditional local idea provides shelter from both the heat of the sun and the strong winds, and allows for cafes and activity to spill out of the facilities, activating the space throughout the day. VIP car drop-off and spectator facilities for attending any events at the sports complex is easily provided under this covered space. The use of solar panels as sunshades allows for covered parking to the west. Connecting the scheme to the existing football training centre led us to embrace the whole site with three other key elements. Firstly, the embracing circular form of the outdoor athletics facility mirrors the shape of the existing football training pitches, acting as a counterpoint. The next element is the extension of the crescent-shaped canopy into a linear covered space along the entire length of the western side. This visually and environmentally links the existing to the new. The third element is the public park to the eastern side of the site, providing both an exciting new public space for the existing residential area and an interface to the sport training complex. There's a link to the future metro proposed in the northeast corner adjacent to the mosque. This will provide fast access to the city centre and surrounding areas. In all, the master plan embraces the whole site, both linking to the residential areas to the east and addressing the proposed new highways to the west. The creation of a covered collection of Federation buildings along a sheltered suite will provide an exciting environment for sport and events.